Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Seedance 2.0 just received one of its biggest upgrades yet, native 4K video generation. Instead of generating videos at lower resolutions and upscaling them afterward, Seedance 2.0 can now create videos directly at 3840 by 2160 resolution. This means sharper details, cleaner textures, and higher quality results right out of the model. But there's one important question. Is native 4K actually worth the extra cost? While 4K output delivers impressive visual quality, it also requires significantly more computing power. Compared to lower resolutions like 720p or 1080p, generation costs can increase dramatically, and render times become much longer. For creators who need maximum quality for commercial projects, large displays, or premium content, native 4K may be the right choice. However, for many everyday workflows, there's another option. Instead of generating directly in 4K, you can create videos at 1080p and then upscale them using HitPaw VikPea. Powered by advanced AI enhancement technology, HitPaw VikPea can increase video resolution, recover details, reduce artifacts, and improve overall visual quality with just a few clicks. This approach can help you save generation costs, speed up production, and still achieve impressive high-resolution results. So which workflow is better? If budget isn't a concern and you need the highest possible native quality, Seedance 2.0's new 4K generation is a powerful feature. But if you're looking for a more cost-effective solution, generating at 1080p and enhancing with HitPaw VikPea may offer the best balance between quality, speed, and affordability. What do you think? Would you choose native 4K generation or AI upscaling? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.